Welcome to the Manitoba Institute of Trades and Technology post-secondary presentation. Students enroll at MITT not only because of our industry and career-focused training, but also because of the valuable experiences they will receive outside of the classroom. Did you know that the Manitoba Institute of Trades and Technology has 7 campuses? Our main campus is conveniently located in South Winnipeg, right off of Kenaston Boulevard on Henlow Bay. All of our campuses are easily accessible by bus routes. We offer affordable parking, and we're nearby shops and restaurants. Did you know MITT has over 25 different certificate, diploma, and postgraduate programs in healthcare, human services, business, IT, and skilled trades. We have 3,700 students enrolled full-time. 78% of our programs include a work practicum. And we have the highest completion rate in Canada, sitting at 90%. MITT builds partnerships with local companies to create programs that meet the needs of industry in high-demand careers, and our innovative training ensures MITT graduates have the cutting-edge skills to compete in today's fast-paced economy. At MITT, we are student-focused. We offer affordable tuition, one-of-a-kind employability skills training, bursaries and scholarships, as well as many student groups and socio-cultural events. The MITT Student Services team provides academic, personal, and career sports to future and current MITT students. These are the MITT staff that students can connect with when they need help or have questions about how to plan and be successful in their MITT program. There are many campus services available to students, including our Cafe 130 at our Henlow campus, student lounges at every campus, outdoor picnic areas, phone charging stations, affordable student parking, and discounted transit passes. Are you looking for ways to connect with other students and share your interests and passions? Join a student group. To find out more, contact Student Life at studentlife@mitt.ca. The Aazhogan Aboriginal Student Centre is a meeting place for Indigenous and non-Indigenous students to come together to learn about our Indigenous cultures. Most MITT programs only require you have a Manitoba High School diploma or equivalent, grade 12 math or equivalent with 50% or higher, grade 12 English or equivalent with 50% or higher, and proof of English proficiency if necessary. You will receive communications regarding your program-specific requirements and any applicable deadlines. Note that documents submitted to MITT become the property of the institution. English is the primary language of instruction at MITT. In order to be successful in a program, it is important for all students to have a level of English proficiency that will allow them to participate in all aspects of the program. MITT recognizes that significant learning takes place at other schools as well as outside of the class. By providing recognition of prior learning services, MITT ensures that MITT programs are engaging and build on students' prior experiences. Bursaries are offered in the fall, winter, and spring terms each year for domestic students with a demonstrated financial need and minimum academic standing. Bursaries provide support to current MITT students for their living expenses while studying. Throughout Manitoba and across Canada, there are many organizations that sponsor scholarships for students. Future and current MITT students are encouraged to research and apply for every scholarship and award opportunity where they meet some or all of the selection criteria. Government loans are easy to apply for online, take all study and living costs into account, and automatically links students to grants and bursaries that do not need to be repaid. When it comes time to repay your government student loan, the interest rate and payment options are very flexible and affordable compared to other types of lenders. Applying is easy and only takes about 15 minutes. First, choose your start date. Most programs have intakes in fall, winter, and spring. Second, determine you meet the entrance requirements. Third, prepare all supporting documents. Fourth, go to mitt.ca/apply to fill out your application online. Fifth, submit original documents to our admissions office at 7 Fultz Boulevard. Hands-on learning in a shop environment, classroom theory, MITT's Work Skills Series workshops, and the opportunity to complete the 16-week work practicum combined to equip auto mechanic students with career-ready fundamentals in automotive repair, basic diagnostics, and troubleshooting in just 9 months. Graduates who meet specific criteria can earn credit toward Apprenticeship Manitoba Level 1. The diverse curriculum in this intensive 10-month program covers administrative procedures from MS Office tools to cloud accounting and prepares students for a wide range of positions in office administration. Hands-on exercises and projects and the possibility of a 6-week work practicum helps students seamlessly transition into careers upon graduation. The CAD Technician program blends hands-on and practical work to equip students with the knowledge and skills necessary to translate ideas, sketches, and specifications into accurate working drawings, 2D, 3D, and VR, using manual and computer-assisted drafting techniques. Graduates bring the strong foundation of learning to the workforce, which includes credits in architectural, mechanical, and civil drafting. In just 5 months, you can acquire knowledge and skills across a spectrum of construction processes, from foundations to framing to interior and exterior finishing, that position you for careers in one of Canada's most in-demand industries. In-class building projects allow you to sharpen your skills and rapidly apply lessons to real-world scenarios. Graduates who meet specific criteria can earn credit toward Apprenticeship Manitoba Level 1. Classroom theory and demonstrations are routinely practiced in the production kitchen as culinary arts and design students prepare food for MITT's 3 campus cafeterias under the guidance of veteran chef instructors. These hands-on skills are further reinforced during end-of-the-school year work practicum. Effective customer service, as well as employability and essential skills acquired through MITT's Work Skills Series workshops, ensure graduates are well-rounded in all facets of food preparation and production. Organizations of various size and structure require teams of cyber and network security experts to protect all manner of business or personal data from daily barrages of cyber attacks. Students in MITT's CDCA diploma program train for these vital roles, gaining specialized and in-demand knowledge and skills through hands-on learning with industry-standard hardware and software. Students who desire careers as early childhood educators will acquire the knowledge and skills required to work with children aged newborn to 12 years old through this provincially accredited and comprehensive diploma program. Working closely with instructors and in groups, students develop their understanding of child development, guiding techniques, and play-based curriculum including art, music, literature, and science, while learning to create and implement meaningful, age-appropriate, culturally diverse, and inclusive programming for children. Theory and comprehensive hands-on projects ensure electrical application students gain the knowledge and skills necessary to install, operate, troubleshoot, service, and repair electrical equipment in residential, commercial, and industrial settings. Motors, generators, transformers, electrical systems, and a wide variety of control equipment are among the many topics covered during the program, and graduates who meet specific criteria can earn credit toward Apprenticeship Manitoba Level 1 and 2. Develop knowledge and skills across the spectrum of design, pre-press, printing, and post-press finishing in the Graphic and Print Technician program, the only program of its kind in Manitoba to teach flexographic printing. The combination of classroom theory, hands-on training in various techniques, including vehicle wraps, applied learning through a work practicum placement, and the foundation of employability and essential skills you gain from MITT's Work Skills Series workshops ensure you graduate career ready for a variety of opportunities in Manitoba's robust printing industry. Sharpen your skills and techniques as a stylist under the guidance of industry veteran instructors and learn the ins and outs of the workplace. Customer service, client booking, effective product sales in our full-service salon learning environment. Apprenticeship Manitoba Level 1 accreditation means students who successfully complete the program and accreditation requirements receive credit towards their apprenticeship path. Whether you see yourself working with a registered nurse to help provide patients physical, emotional, and social support, or assisting a medical team of doctors and nurses through record keeping, order processing, and supply preparation, MITT's Healthcare Aide and Unit Clerk program has you covered. It is the only program in Manitoba that integrates Healthcare Aide and Unit Clerk curriculum. This intensive 2-year diploma is tailored to hospitality services professionals looking to take their next career step as supervisors or managers and provides a practical approach to business training rooted in leadership theory, hands-on training, and professional work exposure. Explore a curriculum built directly with industry to meet their needs and deepen your knowledge in a variety of topics including tourism, food and beverage management, the guest experience, hotel operations, marketing and digital media, and live hospitality and event planning. Develop the knowledge and skills you need for a range of career opportunities in Canada's booming tourism sector, from front desk to housekeeping, food and beverage service to line cook duties, as well as an introduction to management training to position you for the future career advancement. Emirate training, which was developed and tested by tourism sector employees, employers, and educators from across Canada, ensures students meet internationally recognized standards of their profession. Gain a flexible set of knowledge and skills that positions you for employment in industrial settings as well as careers in business and information technology. Through theory, lab exercises, and hands-on projects such as construction of a power supply using electronic test equipment, fabrication equipment, and soldering, you will learn the fundamentals of electronic and electrical components and the devices and circuits used in the industrial setting. A work practicum placement gives you an opportunity to apply what you've learned and add to your skill set through a real-world work experience. Through a mix of theory and hands-on learning, students in MITT's Industrial Mechanics/Millwright program develop a variety of machine shop skills, including operation of cutoff saws, drill presses, lathes, and milling machines. Learn how to read blueprints and use precision measuring and layout instruments. Eligible students may participate in a 3-week work practicum where they can practice their skills and get on-the-job guidance from a veteran industrial mechanic/millwright. MITT's Industrial Welding Certificate Program helps students build a strong foundation of the knowledge and skills required to design and build products by cutting and joining materials using ferrous and non-ferrous materials. Students work independently or in teams using current welding and fabrication equipment to complete projects in a learning environment that simulates an industrial welding shop. Working with industry veteran instructors in a small class setting, you will develop competence and confidence in medical documentation and terminology, clinical office procedures, billing, scheduling, business skills, computer applications, and medical software so that you can efficiently manage the demands of the front desk in any medical facility. A 6-week work practicum placement will give you the opportunity to practice and refine your skills in real-world situations. MITT's Motosport Technician Certificate Program teaches students how to use the tools and equipment required for modern marine and outdoor power equipment maintenance and repair, and helps them build a foundation of knowledge about vehicle systems, including tune-ups, diagnostics, advanced technologies such as fuel injection, and anti-lock brake systems. Eligible students can apply the skills they learn in class to the real-world situations during a 4-week work practicum with an industry employer. Hands-on work in advanced labs outfitted with industry-grade hardware and software teaches students routing, switching, as well as firewall and server technologies to deploy a reliable and redundant network that also supports remote access and wide area interconnectivity. The Network Security Diploma Program is jointly offered through the University of Winnipeg and Manitoba Institute of Trades and Technology. This diploma provides a balanced training approach between hands-on practical experience and the theoretical nature of IT security. Graduates will have an in-depth knowledge of various protocols, network standards, designs, and security solutions. In modern pharmacy practice, the pharmacy technician's role is essential to meeting the ever-increasing demands for healthcare efficiency and improved patient experience. Today, pharmacy technicians are entrusted with assisting in preparing medications, collecting medical histories, and educating patients, all of which allow the pharmacist more time to focus on patient care. The Rehabilitation Assistant program provides students with the knowledge and skills necessary to provide safe and competent rehabilitative care to clients and their families. Rehabilitation assistants perform their duties under the supervision of a speech-language pathologist, occupational therapist, and/or physical therapist. The software developer graduate acquires the basic knowledge, skills, and abilities to qualify for career opportunities as a junior full-stack software developer. Students complete practical hands-on projects that emphasize quantitative reasoning, analysis and problem-solving, technical writing and communications, and disciplined development of modern front-end and back-end software systems. Students should expect to work collaboratively on project-based assignments. Here are some of the next steps you can take. Check out mitt.ca. Book a campus tour. Visit our open house. Consult with a student advisor. Book a spend a day. You can contact us during regular business hours, Monday to Friday from 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. by phone at 204-989-6500 or at recruitment@mitt.ca.